guys, AJ Mama Badger here, and I have a business to interview. I want to say welcome John Maxwell to the Badger's Den. He is with Maxwell's Motorcycles, but we're going to introduce you to him so you can figure out who he is, what he does, where he's at, and make sure and follow him and come visit, all right? So here's the outside looking at the building. He's brand new, so no sign on the door yet. We have like a little makeshift sign here with hours of operation, and we'll go on in. All right.
What's up?
Well, everybody probably already knows, but guys, for those that don't, this is John Maxwell. So, Mr. Maxwell, tell us all about yourself. So, you just opened a brand new motorcycle shop.
Yep. So open that it's not even open yet. Depending on when this video is going.
Right.
Yeah, we're getting everything lined up to start working next week. So, yeah.
So what's like your official start date, you think? 16th,
I'm probably not actually going to have an official start date.
Okay.
I've got a couple of appointments, and we'll see how that goes. And I'll try to balance the office work with the appointments that are coming, and I'll people are getting the phone number, so
cool.
Yeah.
So the phone can ring.
Yeah, the phone can ring.
Okay.
So, and I can take appointments with lining up parts distribution and stuff, being able to get parts. So right now there's a lot of, well, I can do that. Oh, I can't do that yet. So,
So
at some point it's just there's just gonna be this day where parts arrive. I have to do everything. And so on my channel I've been doing, it hasn't actually happened yet, but there's been a first week tour, there'll be a second week tour, and in those videos you'll see like the changes that are happening. And on one of those videos there's gonna be all these parts sitting there that need to find a home. Right. And that's pretty much when we're up and running 100%.
Perfect. Well, let's just bounce off of that. So what's your channel where they can find you?
Yeah, so it's John Maxwell. I'm known as the Harley Tech, so you can find it. The Harley Tech's probably better. There's this guy that writes books and does a bunch of
motivational
yeah, all this you're really cramping my name.
He's not as cool, so.
So yeah, the Harley Tech all over the place. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube.
Fantastic. Check him out, guys, because he does a lot of great videos about motorcycles and fixing them, what you can do, and maintenance, and a great channel to watch.
Lots of product stuff too.
Right.
I think people forget, a lot of my viewers forget that most of my job, thankfully, is making a bike fit the person and make it useful to them. So I do a lot of product stuff because fortunately they're not always broken. So everything I do isn't just repairs. So yeah.
That's the cool fun stuff.
Yeah, that's the part that the customer's happy when their stuff is broken and I give them the bill. I like to talk about the cool things that we do with bikes too.
Right, absolutely.
Yeah.
So of course you ride, and I know you got a couple bikes. So what bikes do you have?
So I have an 18 Heritage Softail, so the Milwaukee 8 version, and that's pretty much what I ride all the time. And I have a 96 Bad Boy. It's a Springer front end, black oil tank, black Springer front end, and I have that because it's cool and nobody else has one.
Well, and I've been here a week and haven't seen that.
Yeah.
So, that's like the top secret bike.
Yeah, eventually it's going to be parked back there.
Right.
Yeah.
So people can come take pictures with it.
That's it. Yeah. So for a long time I actually did. I had it in the dealership in the wash bay. So on days that I drove to work, I would take it to lunch. Because I have 3 kids, so I usually drive to work.
Right.
Drop them off at school and drive my truck. But it was cool to be able to take my bike for lunch break.
Honey, stand up. There's the front, there's the back.
Yep.
So as soon as John's ready, those will be ready for you guys to.
You can get them here.
Yeah, you can get them here now.
Yes. So if you want to come here, you can get one and check out his new shop.
And stickers.
Mm-hmm. Stickers. Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
So how long have you been a motorcycle tech?
7 years. 8 years. Yeah, 8 years I think. I was at the dealership for 7.
Fantastic. You went to MMI.
I did.
Yeah,
Yeah, in Orlando. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then How long you been riding?
Been riding since, well, I bought my Sportster in 2008. It was a 2008 Sportster. That was my first bike.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I was a bartender before that, and I wanted to learn to ride. And, you know, because I don't know if I wanted to ride or not. I just wanted to go take the test and this and that. And I had a regular at the bar that had an 84 Magna. And he was going in for knee surgery and couldn't ride for 3 months. So he slid me the key in his insurance card and was like, ride this one.
Nice.
So it was a Canadian model Magna. So I rode like 6,000 kilometers in those. I don't know how far that is, but he was surprised to see a odometer had so many kilometers on it when he got it back.
Oh, that's awesome.
He said, ride it.
Yeah, that's right.
So, for Badger's Business Solutions, why did you decide to hire us to do the credit card processing?
Supportbikers.com.
All right, baby.
It's what I needed, and I found what I needed right there. So thank you guys. You did a ton for me this week. So
Above and beyond.
Yeah. Please don't tell people what the extra stuff I do.
You'll have reclaimed
That
bathrooms and everything
does
else.
not happen for everybody. All right. Thank you so much, John. Really appreciate it.
yeah, thank you guys.
Yeah, he wants to know what, and he's like trying to ask me, and I can't hear him over the helmets. I'm like, what? And he's like, Dukes of Hazzards. I'm like, oh.
I don't think there is a hazard counter.
Really? I thought it was like a real place.
Maybe.
Thanks for watching this episode of Bikers Supporting Bikers. Our goal is to support as many bikers as we possibly can. And one of the ways we do that is we do these interviews. So if you're interested in doing an interview like this, reach out to us directly and we'll see if there's a way that we can work that out. Because we would love to help your business or your YouTube channel or whatever that may be, because we are all about bikers supporting bikers.
And then I want to add just a special thing to this episode that we did with John Maxwell. He's somebody that we've been watching now for a really long time on YouTube, so it was super cool that he trusted us to be able to go and help him and do an interview with him. So thank you so much, John.